Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another awesome video for you today. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to lose 5 to 6 pounds in only 7 days. And this is an amazing fat-burning smoothie that you can have in the morning as a breakfast replacement to help burn off those extra calories, okay? So this you're going to drink on an empty stomach, and this is going to help to burn off that fat. So what you're going to need is a full-size blender. And we're also going to be using 2 oranges. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to slice this up into pieces and throw it inside my blender. And these oranges are nice and sweet. So delicious. Next, we're going to also be working with 2 apples. Okay, any apple is fine. These are golden delicious apples, and they're very juicy. Okay, so we're just going to remove the core, which I will probably eat. And we're just going to chop these up into smaller pieces and add that also into the blender. Now we're going to be also throwing in 3 dates. Okay, these are pitted dates. We'll throw that in there as well. Now you're going to be using 1 tablespoon of chai seeds. And what I did was I already started soaking these. You soak them for like 10 minutes. But to speed up the soaking process, you can pour some hot boiling water on top of it. So we're going to throw that inside of our blender cup. Next, we're going to add in some cinnamon powder, and we're going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of our cinnamon powder. As well as some flax seeds. Okay, so we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. And lastly, we're going to add in some turmeric. And the turmeric, we're going to add in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Okay. Now we're just going to pop our top on that and blend this up. One more key ingredient. We're going to add in 1 cup of water. Okay, so we're going to also add in 1 cup of water. Okay, now let's continue blending. And our smoothie is ready. And lastly, we're gonna pop in our metal straw. And there you have it, you guys, an awesome breakfast smoothie that you're gonna blend for 7 days, and you're gonna see some results because you're gonna see your stomach smoothing down. This is an amazing fat burning smoothie that you drink on an empty stomach in the morning, and this would be a substitute for your breakfast. Now this is going to help to fill you up throughout the morning, possibly even carry you over to lunchtime, but you will not be hungry. This is full of fiber. It's going to help to keep you full longer, and it's going to burn off that weight. All right, so you guys, I thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey, as well as check down below in the eBay store for these wonderful products, herbs, spices, and also honeys that I have for sale. Check out all the items. Also check the affiliate links from Amazon for the personal size and full size NutriBullet blender, as well as these awesome metal straws. Okay, also check my other channel, Velvet Vlogs, where you will get hair care, skincare, beauty care, family vlogs, fashion hauls, and more. So you guys, until the next video, don't forget your big sis and auntie loves you, and I will see you again in the next video. Welcome YouTube family, this is the Velvet Vlogs introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs, okay? So check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.